Well, one thing is for sure. We have a very foggy day to start our morning. Within a week by tournament day, I'm hoping everything you see here will be underwater. This is one of my favorite shallow spots to fish, but we're supposed to get about 7 inches of rain this week, so if we do, we might be in okay position to fish that area, but we'll have to see. Nope, I've hit dry land. How can I hit dry land? Man, it is so shallow in here. There's a boat straight ahead of us in the cove that I like to hang out in. Problem is, I don't see anybody that's supposed to be in that boat. It's pretty shallow in here. There's a big fish. Get in here. There we go. There's a good way to start the day. There. Nice fish to start the day. Gonna let him go. See ya, bud. Red chatterbait. Well, they say red is the color to use in spring because it mimics the color of all the crawfish out there. Maybe they're right. Be nice if we can get onto one more. There's a fish. Oh, he spit me right at the boat. I know you can't see it, but there's 3 turkeys. Well, maybe you can't see it. Over on land over there. There's a fish. There we go. Good, healthy fish. Nice looking fish. And a spinnerbait. Alright, that was a nice bass. All right, we're going to try something different. We're going to go with a bone spinnerbait, 2 Colorado blades, 1 silver, and 1 gold. Let's give this a try. It looks dangerous for the fish, that is. All right, I think we got it dialed in with this one. Let's find out. It's going to give it a lot of extra thump. Oh, geez, I had a fish. I thought I had a rock. There's a fish. He's a good one. Hang on, buddy. No, he's not that good. He's not that good, but he's a fish nonetheless. There you go. Good looking bass. Whoa, easy. Alright, we're going to let him go. I'm not sure if he's 12 inches or not. But either way, we're going to let him go. See you, bud. Well, everybody, that's going to do it for today. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, even if you didn't like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next episode of Dad's Fishing Adventures. Thanks, everybody.